this episode of Inspiration Nation, we're going to be giving you guys an inspirational showcase video on our E46 project / track car. Now, some of the upgrades we've done to our car is we've added a full chassis mount front splitter, and we got a cheap eBay wing on the back that's about to get replaced, but it gives it the look. Now, we've got the General G-Max ASO tires on it, and we gave it a full complete paint job, and we had to rep all the sponsors. Now let's go under the hood. Now really the only modifications we've done to our E46 under the hood is a simple cold air intake and catless headers. We did make our own strut tower brace, but we've run into the typical BMW problems like coolant issues, and she burns a little oil, so we have to keep them in our toolbox. But all in all, she's a really great car as long as you keep lots of extra coolant and extra oil for those long road trips. And one of the things we get the most questions about is what's up with the little beanie? That's really hot. But the beanie is because on the track or under high intensity loads, we tend to foam the power steering reservoirs. Now this is our fun little toy, but it wouldn't be where it's at without all our sponsors. We really want to thank you guys from the bottom of our heart. Without you guys, this wouldn't happen, and we really do thank you. Now there's one thing we did want to mention. We did mention we have an eBay wing out back, which has dubbed us the name at the track, the Wiggly Wang car, because it's a wiggly wang. Don't buy an eBay wing and think it's going to be a performance option. We're definitely going to be replacing this. So if you guys have any ideas of where we should go with it, let us know. Should it be a custom build or a real carbon fiber wing? Let us know in the comments below. And our newest upgrade to said 46 is brought to us by our gopher Wyatt Hurst. He decided to give us these sweet window racing stripes. It helps hold the window up.
Can't change my up to down. Can't turn the north to south. My world is ever changing, wondering what it's all about. My light is never fading, I keep shining, counting clouds. Break the palm trees. Break the palm trees. Break the palm trees. Oh baby, strip the canvas bare. Break the palm trees.
Stick our Steele's Gap Tail of the Dragon sticker up here with our BIR sticker. Our budget track car has taken quite a journey.